The things out there are sometimes beautiful and sometimes scary, but always fascinating. And if you happen to be one of those few who has an interest in these things outside our little world, then this series is for you. Hi guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to our first ever episode of Fun with Stars. The night sky is filled with billions of stars, and the pattern they make are called as constellations. Constellations are imaginary patterns in the sky which makes it easier for us to identify, study and discover them. If you wish to know more about constellations, make sure to watch this video. The sky is divided into 88 parts, that is 88 constellations, and each episode we will cover one constellation. So our constellation for today is Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky named after the queen Cassiopeia in Greek mythology. Cassiopeia was one of the 48 constellations listed by the 2nd century Greek astronomer Ptolemy, and it remains one of the 88 modern constellations today. Cassiopeia is the 25th largest constellation in the night sky. It is easily recognizable due to its distinct W or M shape, formed by 5 bright stars. Cassiopeia constellation represents the boastful queen Cassiopeia, wife of Cepheus and mother of Andromeda. Cassiopeia claimed that she was more beautiful than the sea nymphs, which made them very upset. Nymphs asked the sea god Poseidon to punish the queen for her vanity. Poseidon sent the sea monster Cetus to attack the queen's land. King Cepheus asked an oracle for help, and he was told that he had to sacrifice his daughter Andromeda to appease Poseidon. The king and queen left their daughter chained to a rock, but Andromeda was saved from the monster by Perseus. Cassiopeia and Cepheus were placed in the sky by Poseidon. It is said that Cassiopeia spends 6 months every year upside down in the sky as punishment for her boastfulness. The brightest star of Cassiopeia, Alpha Cassiopeiae, also called Shedar, is a red giant star. It lies around 228 light years away from Earth. Cassiopeia contains many beautiful and fascinating deep sky objects, which brings us to our next segment. In this segment, we will talk about the deep sky objects. Deep sky objects are the objects which are outside our solar system. Cassiopeia contains multiple open clusters and galaxies. Our first object is M52. The Messier objects denoted by M are a set of 110 astronomical objects catalogued by the French astronomer Charles Messier in his catalogue of nebulae and star clusters. Messier was only interested in finding comets, so he created a list of non-comet objects that frustrated his hunt for them. The compilation of this list is known as the Messier catalogue. If you wish to know more about the Messier objects, make sure to watch this video. M52 is a beautiful open cluster in the constellation Cassiopeia. The cluster was discovered by Charles Messier, who catalogued it on September 7, 1774, with the following note: cluster of very small stars mingle with nebulosity, which can be seen only with an achromatic telescope. This open cluster is easily visible through binoculars, although the telescope can reveal a dense compressed star cluster populated by many faint stars. The cluster lies at an approximate distance of 5,000 light years from Earth. Next object on our list is another open cluster, M103. It lies approximately 10,000 light years from Earth and contains 172 stars. The age of the cluster is estimated to be about 25 million years. NGC 457 or C13, also known as Owl Cluster or ET Cluster because of its shape resembling owl or famous animated character ET, is an open cluster that lies in a constellation Cassiopeia, which is 7,900 light years away. It was discovered by William Herschel in year 1787. Next object is an interesting one on the list. Cassiopeia A is a supernova remnant. A supernova is a powerful and extremely bright explosion of a massive star when it reaches the end of its life. Cassiopeia A is notable for being the brightest astronomical radio source in the sky. It was discovered in 1947 by radio astronomers from Cambridge, England. The supernova occurred approximately 11,000 light years away within the Milky Way. But the light from the stellar explosion first reached the Earth approximately in the year 1690. There are no historical records of any sightings of the supernova that created the remnant. Cassiopeia A has a temperature of about 50 million degrees Fahrenheit. So with this, we end our first episode of Fun with Stars. Let us know in the comments how you liked this episode and which constellations do you want us to talk about in the upcoming episodes. Like and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you again next time. Till then, keep exploring.